Welcome to our new video. Today we are going to discuss some very important topics related to trademark registration, including what a trademark watch service is, what options you have if your application gets rejected, what trademarks cannot be registered, a step-by-step guide for trademark registration in India, and whether you can file a single application for multiple classes. Make sure you watch the video till the end, because we are covering everything you need to know. Trademark Frequently Asked Questions Part 5. Question 46. What is Trademark Watch service? Answer. Trademark Watch is a service that helps monitor the trademark registration process to ensure that no potential issues arise that could affect the protection of your trademark. Since trademark registration is a lengthy and multi-stage process, the Trademark Watch service keeps a close eye on each stage of the process, as well as any subsequent developments. This service is especially helpful for trademark owners to identify and address any conflicting marks, oppositions, or potential infringements that may arise during the registration process. The Watch service alerts clients about any new applications that may be similar or identical to their trademark, enabling them to take timely action to protect their intellectual property. In short, Trademark Watch helps ensure that you do not miss any critical stage that could impact the success of your trademark registration, providing peace of mind throughout the entire process and beyond. Question 47. What options are available when the trademark application gets rejected? Answer. To understand the remedies for the refusal of the application, it is essential to know the grounds on which the trademark application was rejected. For this purpose, the applicant should request a copy of the grounds for refusal. Once the copy is received, within 30 days of the refusal notice, the applicant can file a review petition. Section 127(c) of the Trademarks Act 1999 empowers the registrar on an application made in the prescribed manner to review their own decision regarding the registration. This review application must be filed in Form TM within 1 month from the date of the application, or within an additional 1 month as allowed by the registry. The review application should be accompanied by a statement setting out the grounds for the review. The review of the decision is generally considered by the same officer who passed the initial decision. After giving the parties an opportunity for a hearing, the registrar will then dispose of the review petition, either allowing the trademark to be advertised in the journal or maintaining the refusal. If the applicant is still unsatisfied with the outcome, they can appeal to the Intellectual Property Division of the High Court. Question 48. What trademarks cannot be registered? Answer. A trademark has to have one basic feature, that is, it should be unique and create a brand identity for a product. So if a trademark is such that does not create any brand for a product, can't be trademarked. In general, generic words can't be trademarked. For example, you can't trademark the words like TV, fridge, scooter, car. The names of the cities and countries cannot be trademarked. The names of gods and goddesses and the names of religious books cannot be trademarked. For example, you can't trademark Lord Ram or Ramayana. Surnames cannot be trademarked under normal circumstances. For example, you can't trademark Sharma. Names of constitutional posts or government posts can't be trademarked. For examples, you can't trademark Prime Minister of India. Words which denote illegal or immoral acts can't be trademarked. For example, you can't trademark Let's Cheat or Let's Grope. Words which are prohibited under Names and Emblems Act can't be trademarked. For example, you can't trademark the official sign of Government of India. Question 49. What is the stepwise guide for trademark registration in India? Answer. Following is the stepwise guide for trademark registration in India. Step 1. Trademark search. This step is of utmost importance before filing a trademark application, as it aids the owner in determining whether their trademark is unique and distinctive, and whether there exists another trademark that closely resembles the owner's mark. Merely having a unique brand name in mind does not guarantee that it is not already registered by another business, making the trademark search an essential and unavoidable process. This search can be conducted either through the trademark office or via the online portal. On the online portal, you can select a specific class and search the database accordingly. Step 2. Prerequisite documents. The following are the documents required during trademark registration. 1. Name of owner of trademark. 2. Address of owner of trademark. 3. Nature of business, name of products or services specifically. 4. Trademark logo. 5. Using date of trademark. 6. Mail ID. 7. Mobile number. 8. MSME Startup Registration Certificate. Step 3. Examination of trademark application. After the submission of the trademark application, the examiner must submit an examination report which may or may not include any objections that can be absolute, relative, or procedural. Step 4. Respond to the examination report. Within 30 days of receiving the examination report, you must file a reply to assert the arguments in favor of the application and address any objections that may have been raised. This period provides ample opportunity to address objections and resolve any concerns raised during the examination process. If the application is not yet accepted after fulfilling the conditions, then a hearing can be requested. If the examiner believes that the trademark should be registered, then it will be published. Step 5. Acceptance and publication. After a thorough examination, the trademark is published in the Indian Trademark Journal. The purpose of this advertisement and publication is to invite objections from anyone who may oppose the registration of the trademark, providing a fair opportunity for such opposition. In case of opposition, the applicant is required to present a case justifying why the registration should be granted to them. Upon receiving an opposition, a counterstatement must be filed within 2 months using Form TMO. In the event of a refusal, the examiner declines to register the trademark. Or, if the trademark registrar approves the application without any objections, a trademark registration certificate will be issued bearing the trademark registry seal. Question 50. Whether we can file a single application for multiple classes? Answer: yes, we can file a single application for multiple classes of goods and/or services under the Indian trademark system and many other jurisdictions. This is a convenient way to seek protection for a trademark across different classes without having to file separate applications for each class. How it works in India. The Indian Trademark Office allows applicants to register a trademark for multiple classes within a single application, as long as the trademark is being used, or is intended to be used, for all the selected goods and/or services. Each class represents a specific category of goods or services, and you can register your trademark under multiple classes, e.g., Class 9 for electronics and Class 25 for clothing, if your business operates in those areas. Is it always allowed? Not all goods services can be covered in one application. If the goods or services are not related or belong to very distinct markets, the Trademark Office may advise you to file separate applications for different classes. This is because the trademark should be relevant and related to the goods services in each class. Fees. For filing under multiple classes, you'll need to pay a separate fee for each additional class beyond the first. The fee depends on whether you're filing as an individual, startup, or company, and whether you're filing online or physically. In summary, yes, we can file a single application for multiple classes in India. We must pay a separate fee for each additional class beyond the first. It's a cost-effective and efficient way to protect your brand across various types of goods and service. If you want to register your brand name, logo, or tagline and legally secure your identity, don't wait. Get expert help with the entire trademark registration process. Contact VMK Professionals, your trusted legal and business partner, to ensure your brand is protected under the law. Visit www.vmkpros.com and get started today. That's it for this video. We hope you learned something new about the trademark registration process in India. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more helpful content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.